There is serious conversation going on across Nigeria right now, and it is centered on one name, Nnamdi Kanu, and one major political figure, President Bola Tinubu. The headline about a closed-door meeting has triggered strong reactions everywhere. People are asking questions, people are debating, people are watching closely. And today, I will carefully break everything down for you in clear and simple English so everyone can understand what is really happening. Before we go deep, please take 1 second to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you clear and responsible updates. Now let us go straight to the matter. The discussion about a possible political solution in Kanu's case has gained new attention. Various voices, legal experts, political stakeholders, community leaders have suggested that beyond court processes, there could be room for dialogue. This suggestion alone has created intense reactions online. Some people believe it is time for reconciliation. Others believe the legal process should continue without interference. This difference in opinion is what is driving the national conversation. What makes this situation more sensitive is that Kanu's case is not just a legal issue. It has emotional meaning for many citizens, especially in the Southeast. For some, he represents a voice of regional concerns. For others, he represents a challenge to national unity. So anytime there is even a small rumor of a meeting or a possible decision, social media immediately reacts. Again, if you are following this update carefully, please like this video and subscribe. It helps this message reach more people who want balanced and respectful discussions. Now, let us focus on what is confirmed and what is not confirmed. At the moment, there is no official statement announcing a final decision regarding Kanu's release. And what we are seeing are conversations and appeals. Influential individuals have advised the president to consider a political approach. That does not automatically mean a decision has been made. It simply means discussions are ongoing behind the scenes. Politics in Nigeria often involves quiet consultations. Leaders meet privately to weigh options before speaking publicly. When news of such private consultations leaks, the public imagination becomes active. Some people assume an agreement has already been reached. Others assume pressure is being applied. The truth is usually more careful and more gradual than what social media suggests. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. It encourages more detailed analysis like these. Another reason this story is trending is because Nigeria is gradually moving toward another election cycle. Political leaders are already thinking about strategy, unity, and national stability. While any issue that affects a particular region becomes politically important, leaders must consider security, economic stability, and public perception. That is why any hint of negotiation becomes a big headline. Let us also talk about the security angle. Over the years, there have been tensions in parts of the Southeast connected to the broader agitation movement. Businesses have been affected. Movement has sometimes been restricted. Investors observe these situations carefully. When political leaders discuss possible resolutions, it signals that stability is a priority. Stability is important for economic growth. Stability encourages investment. Stability builds confidence. Again, if you value balanced reporting, like this video, and subscribe right now. There is also a legal dimension. The courts are involved. Legal processes follow procedures. If there is to be any change in status, it must follow constitutional provisions. That is why analysts say any political solution would have to be structured carefully. It cannot simply ignore the judiciary. It would require legal backing. Now, many viewers are asking, why would the president even consider a political solution? The answer is simple. Leaders often look at the bigger national picture. Sometimes legal matters also have political consequences. A decision is not only about one individual, it is about national peace, unity, and long-term stability. At the same time, others argue that the rule of law must be respected strictly. They believe consistency strengthens democracy. This is why the conversation is complex. There are valid arguments on multiple sides. Please, before we continue deeper, like this video and subscribe. Let us grow this platform together. Another important point is public perception. In today's digital world, perception spreads faster than official announcements. A single headline can trend within minutes. Influencers share opinions, comment sections explode. But careful citizens must separate verified information from assumption. Let me repeat clearly. As of now, there is no confirmed public announcement stating that a final decision has been reached. Discussions and appeals do not equal conclusion. Why then is social media on fire? Because political issues tied to identity and region carry strong emotions. Nigerians are passionate. Nigerians care deeply about fairness and representation. When they sense movement behind the scenes, they react strongly. Let us also consider the diplomatic angle. Nigeria's global image matters. International observers watch how internal political matters are handled. Decisions that promote dialogue and peace can improve international confidence. Decisions perceived as rigid may create criticism. So leadership must balance internal expectations and external perception. Again, if you are still watching, please like and subscribe. It truly supports the channel. We must also understand the communication strategy of government. Sometimes silence is strategic. Leaders may choose not to speak until consultations are complete. The silence can create speculation. But silence does not automatically mean secret deals. It often means careful evaluation. There are also economic considerations. Investors want predictability. Markets respond to stability. When national headlines involve tension, businesses become cautious. If there is a peaceful resolution, economic activity can improve in affected regions. So what are the possible scenarios? One scenario is that the legal process continues without political intervention. Another scenario is that a political pathway is explored within constitutional limits. A third scenario is extended dialogue without immediate change. Each option carries consequences. Each option requires calculation. Let us pause here briefly. If you appreciate this calm and clear breakdown, please like this video and subscribe before we continue. Now, let us talk about public unity. Nigeria is a diverse country. Ethnic, cultural, and political differences exist. But national strength depends on dialogue and understanding. Situations like these test leadership wisdom. They test patience. They test maturity. Many citizens are simply tired of tension. They want stability. They want economic growth. They want opportunity. As they want peace across all regions. So when rumors of discussion surface, hope rises quickly. However, hope must be balanced with patience. Major political decisions take time. Consultation takes time. Legal alignment takes time. It is important not to let online excitement outrun reality. Let me ask you something. Do you believe a political solution would improve national unity? Or do you believe strict legal continuation is better for democracy? Share your respectful thoughts in the comments. And please like and subscribe before we continue further. As we move forward, remember that leadership decisions are rarely simple. They involve security briefings, legal advice, political consultation, economic forecasting, and public communication planning. That is why we must avoid oversimplifying complex national matters. At the center of all this discussion is the question of balance. Balance between justice and reconciliation, between law and politics, between firmness and flexibility. Nigeria has faced many difficult moments before. Each time, solutions required patience and negotiation. This situation is another chapter in the nation's evolving democratic story. For now, what we can say clearly is this: conversations are happening. Appeals have been made. Social media is active, but an official confirmed decision has not yet been publicly declared. Continue to stay informed. Continue to think critically. Continue to engage respectfully.